Hey guys, today we're going to draw Umbreon. Here is the finished drawing, what it'll look like when we're all finished up. Let's get going. Alright, to start, I'm going to do a rounded shape right over on this side of my page. And then I'm going to just curve over like that and down and up. That's going to be the head. Now I left this little gap for the ear. And you'll just come all the way out like this and then back in like this ear shape. Okay, and then on the other ear it's going to go kind of from the top of the head and down just like that. Now since we're already kind of hanging out in this area, let's do the eye. And the eye, the top of it, is going to have a similar shape to the top of the head, and then we'll just curve around and up. That'll give us that part. Let's add a little line above the eye as kind of the eyebrow. Now for the inside of the pupil, I'm going to just go around like that, and then another darker circle in the middle that I'll fill in. Alright, let's go and we'll do, I guess one more thing is we'll do the nose. The nose, I'm going to do just a little triangle, just like that. Now one other thing we don't want to forget are the stripes on the ears. So there's a single stripe right around the middle, and I'm just going to make it curved so that it kind of follows the shape of the ear, and I'll do that on both sides. Alright, so far so good. Now let's go to the body. Let's go right to where kind of the center of the head is on the bottom, and I'm going to just curve down like that. And then I'm going to stop because I want the leg as well to be really close to that same curve, but not quite. So we'll go a little bit above and we'll curve down just like that where they meet, and then over like that. And then go a little bit over to the right and come down and follow it, excuse me, but bring it a little bit closer so that when we get to the bottom, the padding of the foot is a little bit smaller than where the top of the leg is. And then we can do the same thing for the other leg. We'll come down and like that. So we're kind of following it. And then imagine the chest goes behind this leg and up. Now for the back leg, we're going to curve in and then kind of turn and down, and then just follow it back up like that. Now I'm going to follow from the back of the head all the way around to this leg. So it's going to go kind of like a smaller neck, and then the body, just like that. Maybe I'll redo that. So smaller neck, I just want it to be a little bit smoother. There, I'm good with that. Alright, and then let's not forget the other leg that's behind here. Just like that. Alright, last of all, we got the tail, which is going to be the same shape basically as the ears. And we're going to have a stripe in the middle of the tail as well. Alright, and then the last thing that we're kind of missing are there are circles on the arms, right? So, and a circle on the head. So we'll draw a regular circle and then do another one right inside of it, like that. Good enough, right? The other one's going to be on the other side there, but up here on the back of the leg, there's one. Another one right there. And then don't forget there's one on the forehead. And this one we'll kind of do as like an oval because of the way that the head is pointed. Alright, so there is our basic drawing. I'm going to fill in colors now. I'm going to use red for the eyes. I'm going to go with dark gray for the body and yellow for the stripes. All right, and here is our finished drawing. I am really happy with how it turned out. I hope you had a lot of fun today. I'll put some other Pokemon videos up as well if you want to draw some other characters. Make sure you click on my head if you want to subscribe to the channel, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.